All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. We're here back with Max Specter of Full Conceal, and he's going to show us the Viper system. So here we go.
This is the Viper system with Full Conceal. We partnered up with CAA, and keeping your pistol legality here easy as 1-2. Magazines still automatically index. As you know, you can pop the pistol out for the bottom here, reinsert. Right here, you can carry 33 plus 1 in the chamber, right? When the gun's folded, you know it's safe. The trigger shoe folds forward, and like I said, 13-inch package. It'll fit into any laptop sleeve. You have QD cups here if you want to run a single-point sling, right?
Very cool. And then you got spare mag up here.
So yeah, so this is our proprietary mag carrier. You push the release here so it locks into place. On the top, this will co-witness with your sights. Right? Press this, releases the magazine. Locks into place.
Very cool. And this is available right now?
This is available now.
Very cool. Awesome. Thank you, Max. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Full Conceal, SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.